What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are back here at Sisma Auto here in DENZA Glenmarie. And for those of you looking for a car, do check out the description below. Get in touch with Nina. She's right here with me right now. So Nina,
Welcome, man.
it's good to have you back on the channel. So Nina, tell us what do we have right here today?
Alright, so right now I'm gonna show you guys the Z9 GT.
Okay.
Let's take a look on the opening. Let me just open. Oh yeah, this is how the key look like. It's very nice. It's also very heavy. Heavy means premium, guys.
Very nice. Very nice
Let me
indeed.
just unlock for you, and you see how it look like during opening.
Damn beautiful, man.
Beautiful.
I love it. So I believe this happens also at the rear part of the car, right? There's some movement in the way for the light. A little bit here and there. Okay, cool.
Front one looks very elegant.
Very
so
nice.
the first thing you notice for Z9 GT, if you check our logo, is a little bit more 3D than all our other DENZA V8 and also D9 logo. It's a little bit more 3D.
Yes, cool. Understand. I noticed that, yeah, it's quite different also as well.
Yes, it is.
Very cool. Okay, so the color of this car is obsidian black.
The
And
color is obsidian black. Actually, it's come with two color,
Okay.
obsidian black and also rime gold.
is that the one
Rime
outside
gold
there?
is the one we're gonna do our test drive using the
Using that
gold
color.
color.
Cool.
later.
Nice.
Yes.
So the lights, these are your DRL lights. Your main headlights is the one that turned on earlier, right? Okay, cool. So at the bottom right here, you got some opening for air to flow through as well.
We are having
And
a very good performance car right now.
yep,
And Z9 GT, can you guess into how much is the horsepower?
I really don't know. I guess it's about 900 above. Isn't?
You're wrong,
Yeah.
you're wrong. Guess one more time.
1000 something.
That's right. Equivalent to any ICE car that has 4.5 liter.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's 0 to 100 is 2.7 seconds. So in total horsepower is 1140 horsepower.
Crazy, man. Crazy. This is really something else, man. Dude, check that out, man. Once again, beautiful setup. Now there's some opening right here for air to flow through as well down here, guys. Earlier when she unlocked, automatically this started rotating and moving. This right here should be your sensor. This car comes with obviously 360 camera. Love the lines on the top part of the hood. Looks good. Now let's jump to the rim part. How many inches are these
So
wheels?
this rim is 20, but now for it comes with a standard 20
Okay.
inch.
Mhm.
You can choose it's an add-on accessories if you want to make it 21 inch,
Which is the one we saw earlier.
Correct. Only
Okay.
available on September.
Okay, cool.
September this year.
Very cool. So drill disc brakes on the inside. You got your two-tone finish of this wheel-like design. Yellow caliper. These are 6-pot.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
backpack is a 6-pot.
Mhm.
If the back one come with a 4-pot only.
4-pot as well. Tires you're using is Continental tires.
Yeah.
It's 255/45 R20. Yeah, that's what they're using. So it's Eco Contact 7.
And
Very
this tire
nice.
is run flat. So
Run.
let's say if you're driving and the speed was above 180,
Mhm.
tire burst,
Mhm.
it still can drive the car normally. So
Okay.
it's best. Very nice performance.
Very
And
cool
also
indeed.
Safety features.
Yeah, very cool. So on this side right here, I understand you have NFC, so you can tap your card
correct.
to unlock the car as well.
Upon purchasing this car,
Mhm.
you will come with a toolkit, and it come with an NFC card, and
Mhm.
also
Your phone?
You can use your phone
Wow.
to pair the NFC. You can touch your phone to close and open
Mhm.
and lock and unlock the car.
So that means there are two keys like
Two
this,
key, one NFC,
one card, and your
and
phone also
pair.
can be
Yes,
a.
correct,
Wow,
yes.
damn, man, that's like literally 4 ways to control this car. Damn cool. So how do we open up the doors on this front passenger side? How do we do that? Yeah.
For that,
Yeah.
if you notice,
Mhm.
we also have our line here. We call it Z9 all the way here.
Aha.
If you look it more on the rime gold later.
Okay. Cool. That's
The black
nice.
color a little because it's all black, so
Mhm.
not really
Visible, not really
Yes,
visible.
correct.
Okay. Cool.
So,
Interesting.
The door is very cool, guys. One thing that I want you to know, when you open the door,
Mhm.
there's a people walking by.
Mhm.
There's a car beside you.
Yeah.
It will not fully open. Let me show you.
So
It
yeah.
will-
Cool.
It
Cool.
wouldn't touch any car, so you don't have to worry. So if you
Yeah.
open,
Very nice. I love that welcome light as well, and of course the way how you presented earlier was super cool. Very cool, man. Very cool. I like it. So the rear part also as well.
Yes. And when you open the door, when you put sitting inside, there's
Mhm.
one touch button here as well. You can closing the.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Very nice. Very nice.
The interior color
Mm-hmm.
come with the three color. Come with the beige,
Mm-hmm.
come with the black color, and also red velvet. So this red velvet is only available for car
With a black exterior.
color, obsidian black. If
Okay.
you choose the rhyme call, you
Mhm.
only can choose have black or
Mhm.
also beige color. Only.
Cool. So this right here, in other words, this is the high spec of this car, correct?
Yes, we only have one spec available in.
Very nice. So that means overseas you can get others, but in Malaysia you all only offer the high spec.
Yes.
That's very cool, man, dude. So let's jump to the rear part of this seat, man, dude. Amazing looking interior. Red velvet, brown. Very cool, man. So the speakers on the inside.
Yes, the speaker that we have, we call it DVLA.
Mhm.
DVLA speaker is a very premium speaker from France.
Okay.
Total speaker that we have is 20.
Very nice, man. 20 speakers, and guys, just so you know what speaker that is, it's right here. So this is the same, brand that they're using for the interior part of this car. So it looks absolutely stunning. Yeah.
One speaker costs you 20k.
This one right here is 20,000. Okay.
So
Okay.
we're talking about 20
20
speaker
on
inside.
inside right here. Okay,
How
cool.
Premium.
How premium is that?
excellent this?
Very nice.
Zen GT.
Nina, would you like to sit inside, just to show them how it actually looks like? Cool, man. And
It's
this,
very spacious, and you can easily what is it called?
increase
Adjust
the
this,
I see.
number support
Very nice, man, dude.
here as well when you are sitting there.
Okay,
My
the back part also as well.
a bit.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
Very cool
Know
setup.
that all this chair,
Mm-hmm.
it has massage chair, ventilated,
Mhm.
meaning cooling,
Mm-hmm.
and also heating.
Wow, I like it. So all the seats on the inside, all four
All
lah.
the
1,
set,
2, 3,
yes.
4, 4
And it
seats.
comes with a 4 zone. You can choose here to be 18, you can choose here 24, you can be there 30, you can be here 16. 4 zone temperature.
Very nice indeed. So yeah, cool. So the door part also as well. Very nice. So let's open up the door again. Cool. Check that out. So no need for anybody else to open up the door, like the car can do it for you lah.
Everyone.
Cool.
We're talking about intelligent car.
Yeah. So the rear part of the wheels, we got 20-inch for the back so as well. 255, 45, R20. So front and back, they are same
It's
size.
the same size.
Same size, so you can rotate the front to the back, guys, if ever you need to do so. But yeah, check out the rear part of this car. It's amazing. Like how we have the green thing at the floor right there. But before we open up the rear boot, the lights at the back, absolutely stunning. I love what we see right here. So Nina is gonna get into just try and turn on the rear part of the car to showcase how beautiful and gorgeous the rear looks like. Check that out, guys. The lights are already on. Amazing. And I love the 3D finish of the badge. It really makes it feel a little bit more different compared to the other cars that are not
Yeah.
so having this 3D feel, So DENZA Z9 GT badging right here. You got your E3 because there are 3 electric motors inside the car.
Correct. This is the only car in Malaysia that come with the 3 motors.
Very nice,
And
man.
Another fact, Z9 GT.
Mhm.
Do you have any idea what's the meaning of the 9?
No, I don't really don't
Okay,
know.
in China, number 9 is basically the highest spec.
Mhm.
So this car, Z9 GT, is the highest spec.
Very cool,
for
man.
DENZA,
Dude.
for Z9 GT lah.
I love it.
Mm.
Love it. Learn something new today.
Right.
So yeah, let's check out the rear wing also as well. This is a very cool setup. I love what I see right here. Now, if you're going at high speeds, this will pop up to give you more downforce. I love the rear winglet that we have right here for air to flow through to hold the car down also as well. And that badging at the side there as well, with the DENZA logo. Very nice rear diffuser. And yeah, let's open up the rear boot to show them how
Alright.
that actually works.
Okay, I want you to try it yourself.
Okay.
Okay. Where there's a two-way, the
Mhm.
manually also when the key is
With the keys,
nearby
yeah.
to you.
Okay.
When the key is nearby to you, there was one green color.
Like a green
bell
color thing
above,
right here.
Then it will blink like 3
Blink like
times
that?
and opening.
Okay, cool.
Let me just reset.
Can, sure. Because we've been standing quite some time at the back right here, so of course, how to say this? It needs to be a little bit more different. But yeah, so cool, man. Check that out. I just pressed out the button, and the doors are just closing by itself. Now that's absolutely just unique and absolutely nice. Even right there, what she's doing right there, she's just tapping the button and the door is closing by itself. How nice is that? It's not every day you get to see something like this. You get what I mean? So yeah, very, very cool setup. Check out the exterior once again. Beautiful, beautiful layout. The showroom looks amazing. You got this brown finish of the wall right here, and also you got a black car right there. Tiles are grey. You got your light up there. Everything here looks absolutely stunning. And yeah, so let's check out the back part of the car and check out the green light.
Either like two-way, you can either manually or
Mhm.
just put your leg here, 3-time blink, put it out, and then it will open the door.
Damn cool, man, dude. Oh, I like it. Very nice. So this, I believe, of course, is obviously a shade for you to cover it.
And
Okay.
it has a little bit more space here where you can put maybe a tennis ball, a badminton racket, something like that. And all this chair is only by one touch.
One touch button. And check out the button, guys. The finishing itself looks absolutely amazing. The rear seats can fold it down. Can you imagine that? The rear seats are also having this, how to say this, ventilated seats, massage seats as well, and yet you can use it to fold down. That's damn
Rest
cool, man.
assured, guys, it has a smart detect, which is if there's a human being there, it wouldn't go down. So rest assured, I tested myself.
Wow, very cool, very cool. I like it. Very nice. Okay, let's close the rear boot by pressing the button this time and not using that. Check that out, man, dude. So amazing, man, dude. Cool. Wow. So Nina, jump right into the driver's seat and tell us.
That,
Yeah.
let me show you our charging.
Mm-hmm.
It's called charging port. It's only one touch.
One touch right there.
And yes,
Okay, cool.
it's go for DC and also AC.
Okay, cool. Very nice. And
Stop.
charging time also, oh,
Charging
nice.
is very fast. If you go for the 1000 watt, 10% to 97% is only 9 minutes.
Very cool. I like it. So, driver's seat, Nina. Would you like to get right in and show the audience how does it look like when you're sitting in a car like this? Now, once again, Nina, how tall are you again?
Okay, guys, I'm 156 cm.
156
Yeah,
cm
not
and
that tall, but in Malaysian
Asian women.
in Malaysia, I'm kind of like medium lah.
Medium size. But I love the pedals right there. They are in this chrome finish, or however you want to call it, sporty finish or whatnot. But it looks very nice. I love this finishing of the rear seat adjustments right here. Very nice, sort of like crystal sort of finish.
Kind of, yes.
Yeah, very cool.
It's very nice. It's very premium.
Yeah.
It look luxury
Mhm.
and very, very beautiful, especially for ladies.
Yep, and we got the DENZA wording at the side plaque right here. Love the wooden finish on the inside part right here. Your gear for the car is on this side. You got your what is
our
the
signal
signal light,
light.
wiper adjustments on that side as well.
Adjustment as well.
So these ones right here should be your control for the front
yes.
part and the back part of the
Our ACC and ECC and
Mhm.
also the camera, how it look like.
Wow, very
And
nice.
this is whenever you go up is reverse, go down is D,
Drive.
and then P is
Gotta push right in for
parking.
P. So these ones right here, what is this? This is your pedal shift or
This is not pedal shift.
Okay.
We call it boost, and this is ACC and ICC. You see the boost?
So it's in red color because it's in
Yes.
boost. So this gives you
Boost.
extra
This
power
is
when you
extra
wanna.
power. When you press the boost
Mhm.
and you accelerate,
Mhm.
your soul will be left at the back.
You really will fly because again, this car has 1,000.
1,140 horsepower, everyone.
Wow, guys, this car is super powerful, man.
This one is a fridge. There you go. You can put at least 4 beer inside from that side and also from this side.
So 4 beers, but no drinking and driving.
Exactly.
But
it has 2 functions: chilling and also heating.
wow,
Alright, guys.
very cool, man. So these are touch sensitive buttons that you can actually use. You got 2 cup holders right there. You got your other stuff happening right here. Wireless charging too, huh?
Wireless charging too is 50 watt, and don't worry,
Mhm.
this has a ventilation,
Ventilation.
so your car wouldn't be so heaty.
Okay, cool. Down here you got charging as well. Then you got a
Yes.
place to keep your key in case you need to get your car moving in case the
And this
battery.
one in the middle,
Mm.
you just put the SD card they call,
Mhm.
so then the car will start recording.
Very
It
cool.
has a
So
built-in camera.
it's a built-in camera right here also as well. Very cool, man, dude. Now we will talk more about this in a while more. But yeah, dude. So yeah, so Nina, thank you for showing us about this car. And of course, guys, if you'd like to find out more, there's only one way to do it. You gotta head down right here to Sisma Auto here at DENZA and meet up with Nina. Nina will be more than happy to show you guys this Z9 GT or the B8 or the D9 that's right at the back right there. This place is absolutely stunning. You have all sorts of things that you can actually take a look at in terms of the wheels, in terms of the accessories that these guys have. They also have a very cool delivery room right there. They got the service center located at the back. Damn tune. Damn tune. So yeah. So Nina, once again, cool, check that out. But before that, Nina, what about the front space? We didn't show them yet. Yeah. What's happening at the front? Yeah. Very cool. So you press the button at the side there.
Yes. Do you like to eat durian?
Oh, I'm not a durian fan, but can lah. But yeah, I think a lot of people
are.
are.
A durian fan.
Yeah.
You can put 6 bg of durian here.
Very nice. I like that you all have a cover for this,
Yes,
and you know it's like
very
super.
neat. Even the cleaning fluid is here.
Yeah.
It's like damn.
Very
Everything
nice.
is proper. There's no wire. There's no nothing here. It's very.
Very nice. I like how the cover also looks super stylish. The badging right here is also another 3D sort of effect. So this one right here got to close it like normal lah, right? Then you got to put it in. Cool, very nice. So Nina, once again, thank you so much. Yep.
One more thing. When you on the driver's seat, you only press brake, then all door will close. Let me
Okay,
show you.
cool. So Nina is going to be putting her foot on the brake right now. Check that out, guys. Dude. That is so cool, man. That is so cool. Okay. Nina, could you open up the doors all from the inside?
Oh, sure.
From the inside. Okay, check that out. So Nina is going to be opening up all the doors from the inside part of the car. Check that out, man, dude. Everything is just automatically opening up. Damn nice. So Nina, would you be able to step your foot on the brake once more again and then just close it? Yep. Damn cool, man, dude. This is so damn nice. Okay, Nina, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time
Thank you
today,
so much.
guys. If you'd like to find out more, meet up with Nina. Check this car out. Check that car out. Check the one at the back there also as well. This place is absolutely beautiful. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.